we are doing a collab with Fatima from We Are Twins. And today we're going to be making jelly. It's fresh fruits. Okay, so what we're going to need is instant jelly, strawberry flavored and normal strawberries. And for this delicious banana jelly, we will need instant banana jelly powder, and for a twist, we will need fresh kiwis. Let's get started. Let's start making the jelly. Now let's add the jelly crystals into the jug. We're going to add 400 milliliters of boiling water. And stop. That's 400 milliliters. Mix it vigorously. Don't forget, you can burn your hands with boiling water, so always get some help from adults. I'm going to put the kiwi inside the mini cup. Fatima is putting the kiwis into the mini jars, and I am still mixing. Don't forget to always mix it until there is not a single crystal left. We only had used one whole plate of kiwis and put it in all of these 3 cups. Now I'm going to add the jelly mixture into the jars. Oh. The scissors fell on the floor. Now I'm going to add the jelly crystals into the jug. Now I'm going to add the hot boiling water. I'm going to be adding hot water into this jug until 400 milliliters. And make sure to get some help from adults. And keep on mixing. Mix. Meanwhile, I'm going to add the strawberries. You can add however much you want. You can see that Fatima's so excited. We have added around 4 to 5 strawberries. Are you ready, Fatima? Yeah. We were eating the fruits while we were making jelly. That's so good. As you can see, the jelly is beginning to form because it's instant. So we're going to keep it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours, then enjoy it after our lunch. It's not liquidy anymore. It's so jiggly. Oh, mine's jiggly too. Cheers, Fatima. Now it's ready to go into the fridge. We had eat our lunch. We're going to eat our jelly. Now it's taste testing time. Yay, yay. Yummy. This is so good. And we can't talk anymore because we're enjoying this and we're going to share it with our family. So I hope you guys all try this at home and refresh yourself with this in the summer because it's really nice and refreshing and really cooling. It's really healthy as well. Cheers! Hope to see you all in another video. Bye!